What are the biggest lessons brands typically learn after spending money on Amazon PPC? I think what brands do learn that no one really wants to talk about is when it comes down to ad spend and when it comes down to ACoS. I'm seeing many posts that are going to promote on, look, this is the way how we optimized this brand's ACoS and we reduced the ACoS. Now, don't get me wrong, that is great if you can do that for wasted ad spend. By wasted ad spend, let's define it. We are referring to ad spend that it's not converting whatsoever. So in that case, if you're reducing the ACoS, it's great. However, what is going to happen most of the time is that because you want to over-optimize for profitability, a brand's, revenue, what can happen is that you are going to cut out yourself from the market share that you have. And this is something that it's hard to also explain to brands, especially those who are very profit conscious, because what's going to happen is that if you're going to, let's say you're ranking well for one keyword that's highly describing your product. In this case, let's say baby diapers, right? Babies in my hand. The first thing that I'm thinking of is baby diapers. Now, let's say that you are ranking organically on the first page for that keyword and you're in the middle of the page. And if you want to keep your organic ranking, you would also run some advertising to ensure that you're also going to increase your organic ranking. Now, what is going to happen usually is that if you're going to spend less and less on those placements, and don't get me wrong, if people are going to genuinely buy your product, baby diaper, when they're going to try baby diaper and your product is going to anyhow be purchased, that is different because then organically, yes, it's going to stick. But if baby diaper, for example, you're having a baby diaper as a product and it's a new launch and you're not showing up on the first page of Amazon and you want to show up because you have to make sales for your product, in that case, what's going to happen is that if you're not investing to gain additional market share or gain some market share, at least at this point, if we are launching a new product, right? Then what's going to happen is that, yes, your ACoS is going to go down because you are optimizing towards profitability. However, all the efforts of bringing those eyeballs to your product is going to be gone.